We're delighted that you've taken the first step to improve on your hearing. This sample aid will allow you to experience amplified sound. The sample aid pack will contain 3 ear tips. It'll also contain a pack of 4 batteries and a cleaning tool. Step 1. To insert a battery, remove one from the pack and remove the brown strip on the back of the battery. Open the battery door of the instrument and with the plus side of the battery facing upwards, insert as so and close like that. To put the instrument into the ear, pull up on the top of the ear, place the instrument in. Make sure that you have the correct ear tip for your ear size. Ensure the ear tip is on tightly. Avoid covering the air hole with your finger on insertion and slide the switch to number 1 and twist the volume wheel to where it's comfortable. Step 3. Maintenance with accessories. Use the cleaning tool to clean the ear tips. This will prevent the buildup of earwax. You can also remove earwax using the cleaning brush. If after trying the free sample aid and you wish to purchase a hearing device, you can part exchange the sample aid